Show us your new jeans, Cam.
So get out there and blast, losers.
Your old jeans, Cam.
I tore my jeans in the crotch area, the crotch region. Welcome back to the metalfinisher.com and our Sandblast 101 series. Today we're going to be doing another blast test. This time it was requested by several people on the TMF hotline. Actually, it was one person on the TMF hotline. But before we get to that, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Go down and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future tests. And if you have any product or process reviews you'd like us to tackle, or if you'd like us to test any abrasives or wet versus dry, just go put it down in the comment section below. Also follow us at the Mobile Blaster on Facebook. All right, let's head over to the TMF hotline for today's process request. Get out and blast.
Hello, everybody. It's me, Donald J. Trump, your president, and I just would like to request the most wonderful, most bigly test ever. I want to see iron grit in a slurry blast unit. Who doesn't? You know what I'm saying? It's the only thing I wish right now. And if it goes bad, I will pay you $175,000 to make it disappear. Trust me, I'll do it. So get out there and blast, losers. And by the way, Metal Finisher, you're making America weld again. You're fantastic. Get out there and have some fun.